Here at UEN.org, we're going to log into Utah's online library. So I'm going to scroll to the bottom and click on Utah's online library. At the top in the reference collection, you can see digital science here, and you can see the Spanish version here too if you have students that speak Spanish. So I'm going to click on digital science online, and as it logs in, just so you know, this is a subscription service, but if you log in through Utah's online library, you can access the videos here. Now, these videos are videos that you can link out into a learning management system. You cannot download these videos. So right away, you can see it's on classifying animals, and you can see you can check out videos, animations, images, and even a teacher's guide. And it gives a full script so you can check out student activities, learning objectives, and it has the video script here, and you can download the full guide for any type of video that you see. Another option is you can type in the search engine here of what you want for your class, or you can look at the subjects on the side. So physical, earth, life, integrated health, and biology. You either can categorize it by primary, elementary, and middle or high school. So if I was looking up here, I just might type in, let's see, biology. And if I'm just looking, let's say for animals, I might say, okay, is there animals? Oh, amazing amphibians. Let's check that one out. And right away, it gives me videos on different types of amphibians. And it goes with the introduction all the way down to all the other videos, plus an assessment at the end. And what you can do is just highlight the link up here, copy it, and bring it into your own learning management system as sent before. So for example, Canvas. And if you don't want all the videos to start at the top, you can click on a different video and do the same thing and just copy that link there. And then another option is you have closed caption options. You can make the video larger for your students. And if you just want, you could just play the whole thing for your classroom if you don't want to add it to your learning management system. So if you want to find a great place to see visual science online materials, this is the place to go.